Chinese businessman shot and injured in St. Elizabeth. Chef killed in car crash. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A Chinese businessman was reportedly shot and injured during a robbery in St. Elizabeth. The businessman was reportedly driving a IS bus along the Ballards Valley main road about 10:30 a.m. when two men rode up on a motorbike, blocking his pathway. One of the robbers allegedly disembanked the motorcycle, pulled a gun, and demanded money. The businessman reportedly refused and was shot in his right leg. According to an investigator in the matter, it appeared the perpetrators had followed the man from his business place. The runaway police in St. Anne are investigating a motor vehicle collision which has resulted in the death of a man. He is Omin Brown, a 25-year-old chef of Hopewell Park, Discovery Bay in St. Anne. Brown was reportedly driving a Toyota Starlet motorcar about 6:30 p.m. Saturday when he lost control of the vehicle in the vicinity of the Bahia Principe Hotel in Runaway Bay. The car crashed into a concrete utility pole. Brown, who was injured, was rushed to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital where he died.